Hi class, what we're going to be looking at in module 12 is going to be more of these hypothesis testing and also some confidence intervals, but mainly now we're going to be looking at two sample procedures. So what does that mean when we're talking about two sample procedures is now we're going to be comparing two values to each other and making a decision or an estimate about that. So first, when we're comparing two numbers, you're going to see that we're going to be finding the difference between those two things. Because when we find the difference or subtract them, it helps us see, is one higher, is one lower, or it just helps us see how far apart these values are. Are they far apart or are they close to each other? So the next thing is, just like in the previous sections, we want to pay attention to the notation. And other than that, the 5 steps that you're going to be doing here are pretty much exactly the same. Here though, unlike last time where we focused a little bit on the formulas to make sure we understood the values that we were looking at and analyzing, here we're just going to use all technology. Don't worry about the formulas whatsoever. If you want to look into it, you are more than welcome to read into the book or finding more resources, but you're going to be using technology and interpreting the values that are outputted more than you are going to be doing any of the calculations. So as you make your way through this, make sure you are paying attention to all those little things that we talked about before with the 5-step process, but looking for those little details that are different when it comes to two sample tests. If you have any questions, post them to the discussion board and I'll be happy to answer your questions, and good luck.